Wow! This Vicks bottle are floating mid-air. How is it possible?
It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity.
As you can see, we have used a balloon blower to blow on these bottles. But how does the bottle remain floating mid-air? This happens because the upward pressure from the balloon blower balances the downward force of gravity, keeping the bottles levitating mid-air. This is based on Bernoulli's principle that states that fast-moving fluids, including gases such as air, are at a lower pressure. So the airstream from the balloon pump is at a much lower pressure than the outside air. An object that is smaller than the diameter of the airstream can therefore be balanced within it. If the bottle starts falling out of the airstream to one side, then the higher pressure of the air outside the airstream will push the bottles back into the center. This process enables the bottles to remain floating mid-air.